Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Knowledge Tech Hub. In this video, we will learn 10 easy English sentences for beginners.
Hello, how are you? Salam, Tsengai. Hello, how are you? Salam, Tsengai.
Fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. Zakhayam manana. I am fine, thank you. Zakhayam manana. What is your name? Stanum today. What is your name? Stanum today. My name is Abu Bakr. My name is Abu Bakr. Zamanum Abu Bakr de. My name is Abu Bakr. Zamanum Abu Bakr de. Where are you from? Where are you from? Tadakum zaye. Where are you from? Tadakum zaye. I am from Afghanistan. I am from Afghanistan. Zada Afghanistanium. I am from Afghanistan. Zada Afghanistanium. How old are you? How old are you? Staumar Tsude. Staumar Tsumrade. How old are you? I am 15 years old. I am 15 years old. The Pindalas Kalanium. I am learning English. I am learning English. The English is the Kawam.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. د تا سره په لیدو خوشاله شوم. Nice to meet you. د تا سره په لیدو خوشاله شوم.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Knowledge Stage Hope. See you in the next video.